What's up, Phantom Physics, episode 7, Momentum. Momentum. What's happening, everybody? Alright, well, we're going to start our new unit on, you guessed it, momentum. So, what is momentum? Well, that brings us to our first example. Momentum is mass in motion. Things that have mass, like most objects do, that are moving, have what we call momentum, as in a sort of energy in which it prolongs things to keep moving and whatnot. So something that is very large, like this bus here, even if it is moving a little bit, it still has momentum. If it's not moving, well, it has zero momentum. You need to have mass, and you need to have some sort of motion, a velocity in this case. So let's continue on to example number 2. Oh, wait, okay, number 2. So, momentum depends on mass and velocity. So, imagine two objects. They're of different masses and they are traveling at different velocities. They could potentially have the same momentum if the first object, let's say this object, has a very large mass but a very small velocity. And this object right here has a very large velocity but a small mass. Get the idea that they are both equal because of their differences in mass and velocity. But for the most part, all it is just a simple multiplication problem. So let's see example number 3. Calculating momentum is easy, sort of. Well, this is the equation, and we represent momentum with a lowercase p. Now, momentum is simply your mass times your velocity, and we use mass in kilograms and velocity in meters per second. So let's do an example here. If I had a mass of 10 kilograms and I was going 10 meters per second, I would have a momentum of 100 kilograms per meters per second. It's a crazy unit, I know, but for the most part, that's how it works. Alright, we will also be getting into much more complex equations involving collisions, but for the most part, this is the basic equation we'll be using tomorrow as well as the rest of the week. Alright. This has been another episode of Phantom Physics. Tonight's death metal band reference is Hotel.